If you've been following the news, you know that the Great Lakes region is being pummeled by lake effect snow. By December 2nd, some of our area had as much as 5 feet. Here in Paynesville, we had about 3, but many of our drifts matched or exceeded 5. Here's a few clips from Tuesday, 2 days after we got the worst of it. The sun came out and compacted the powder down a bit, but you get the idea. Before I pulled out our RAV4, the snowdrift was over 5 feet. Our drama began on Sunday afternoon when we departed a belated Thanksgiving gathering and set off into the blizzard. We didn't hit much snow until moving north of an area locals refer to as the Snow Belt, a sweet spot that begins a few miles inland from Lake Erie and extends another 10 or 15.
The roads are clear and well salted. The road to the north is passable. This is Melissa speaking.
Usually the heaviest accumulation falls right along Route 6, sparing the lakeshore. This time, we bore the brunt of it.
And the rhyme? That wasn't even the worst hill. Have you thought about your strategy for the bottom of this hill and then going up the next one?
When I got scared, I was going to close my eyes.
Okay, I like it. I like it. I'm just going to yell at you.
We live streamed our drive home on YouTube, and if you've seen it, try not to ruin the surprise.
You waved at us. I hope that got on camera.
Even for an area accustomed to heavy snowfall, Lake County had a bit of trouble keeping up with the sheer speed of accumulation. That would turn out to be our saving grace.
When it's like this, there's no rules.
We're stopping on a hill. It's going to be iffy.
We're not.
We timed it correctly.
Like it always does, our old GMC held firm to the road. Giddy with all the excitement of school children on a snow day, we plowed our way into town. What happened next was a first for me. Seeing is believing, so I'll let you watch it for yourself.
Was it a tire? I think we just lost a tire.
Do we actually lose a tire?
I think it's in the middle of the road back there.
Bullshit.
What do we do now? We just drive home like this?
I guess so.
Okay. How does that happen?
No idea.
I thought I saw something round and circular in the middle of the road back there.
Let's get this thing off the road.
Alright.
I can't get in there.
It's fine. Huh. What about our house? Okay, yeah, I like it. The fuck?
There's no way the tire fell off. Film it.
Oh my god. Chris, there's no tire. There's no tire. How does that even fucking happen?
I have no idea. You think we hit something in the road?
It sounded like you hit something. I mean, we can watch it. We can go back and watch it. Let's get everybody in. Check on Bob.
Yes, we really did lose a wheel. Yes, the Jimmy really did pull herself half a mile home on 3 wheels. I was befuddled, to say the least. All 5 wheel studs sheared off at once on the passenger side rear. I've never in 28 years of legally driving had that happen on a vehicle. I found that studs will typically give some indication of going bad, the splines rusting and spinning in place or the stud snapping in half while tightening. Well, that's a first. No one got hurt as far as I can tell. Talked to one neighbor that was outside and knocked on the door of the guy I think that threw it up onto the snowbank. But so I'll let you know when I get home. Nevertheless, the Jimmy continued to be of use during the blizzard, providing a jump start to our Toyota and assisting in clearing the driveway. She's currently awaiting repairs. Thanks for tuning into our little update. Know that the family is safe and we're continuing to weather the storm. I hope you enjoyed the ground level view of this as of yet unnamed storm. We're considering St. Nick's Big Dump, Flurries of Fury, or Snowmageddon. Whatever you'd like to call the event, the weather isn't going to let up over the next couple of days. We've got an incoming clipper, rapid shifts in temperature, a full gamut of seasonal precipitation, and a dramatic thawing to round out the week. Keep that hot cocoa coming.
Christmas is coming, yeah. Spotting some sleigh rides and some jingle bells. Tell all your brothers, sisters, mama and papa too. Christmas is coming, yeah. Roasting some chestnuts on the fire, yeah. Christmas is coming, yeah. Celebration and surprise.